Hey folks, it's Lauren from Snowy's here with the Superpeg Supercube grill and plate set. It's compatible with the separately available Supercube fire pit. It has a modular setup and it's made from durable Australian stainless steel. So your grill and plate come in a set. It weighs just under 3 kilos, and when they're sort of bunched up and packed together like this, each plate measures about 49.5 centimeters long, around 20.5 centimeters wide, which means together they're around about 41 centimeters total width, and the profile when they're sitting flat is just over 3 centimeters high. It's made from really high quality stainless steel that's around about 2 mils thick, so just a margin thinner than the fire pit itself. So they're really heavy duty, super durable. They'll probably actually outlast you. So the way that they sit on the fire pit is just simple, like so. So you've got your grill section there and your plate section there. So as you can see, they're relatively modular. Whether or not you want to set up just the hot plate on its own or just the grill on its own, or both of them, there's no issue with that either. Because of the laser cuts that you have around all the panels of the fire pit, even when you've got the full grill and plate set on the top, you're still going to get good oxygen airflow and circulation around that as well. Now obviously both of these are going to get really hot when you're cooking, so Superpeg do a super tool which is available separately, but it's definitely something that you're going to want to pick up. The little notches on the side here just slip into the end of each plate, and with a bit of downward pressure, the tension on the angle there allows you to pick up and move the hot plate and the grill when you want to remove it from your fire pit. That's about it for the Supercube grill and hot plate set. You can get this at snowys.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you found this video helpful, give us a like. If you've got any questions or comments, chuck them below. You can head here to subscribe or here for more helpful videos.